You ever notice how your AC breaks, your sink floods, and your toilet backs up? All in the same week? South Florida problems, right? Well, there's this crew out here called Coastal Plumbing, and they've been showing up like firefighters for people in Pompano, Fort Lauderdale, Coral Springs. No gimmicks, just clean trucks, real plumbers, and Google reviews that sound like love letters. One lady said she finally found a plumber that didn't treat her house like a job site. And they're not just doing emergencies. Water heaters, leak detection, full repipes. Yo, Coastal really be covering the map.